2025 बॉलीवुड के लिए एक रोलर कोस्टर राइड जैसा साबित हुआ. फ्रॉम एक्सीडेंटल लाइक्स एंड वर्क आर वॉर्स टू वायरल कॉन्सर्ट ड्रामा, लेट्स डाइव इनटू द टॉप 3 कंट्रोवर्सीज जो इस साल रही हेडलाइंस का हिस्सा. कंट्रोवर्सी नंबर 1, द लाइक दैट ब्रोक द इंटरनेट. Cricket superstar Virat Kohli accidentally liked a picture of actress Avneet Kaur on Instagram and almost immediately unliked it. What sounds like a small social media hiccup turned into a viral online frenzy with memes, jokes, and lots of speculation about what that one tap meant. Kohli eventually clarified that the interaction was unintentional and algorithm glitch while clearing his feed, and said that there was no hidden meaning behind it. Still, the internet had a field day and इसी वजह से अवनीत कौर और भी ज्यादा पॉपुलर हो गई एंड इस साल उनका जो फॉलोअर काउंट है वो कुछ ज्यादा ही बढ़ गया. वेल 2025 में उदित नारायण भी हेडलाइंस का हिस्सा रहे. नोन फॉर हिज रोमांटिक सॉन्ग्स एंड फैमिली मैन वाइब्स, the singer suddenly found himself trending, but for all the wrong reasons. Well, an old, undated video resurfaced where Udit Ji is seen pulling a female fan closer during a selfie and planting a kiss on her lips. Oops, that was really shocking for us. Fans were left stunned, memes were born, WhatsApp groups were confused. But did Udit Ji panic? Not at all. Instead of damage control, he chose dad level humor and cracked jokes about the whole thing. Udit Narayan responded to the viral kissing controversy by calling it an expression of pure affection and fan madness, not something inappropriate, stating that fans often show love this way and he reciprocates. अब हम क्या ही कहें भाई. Next up, a headline that sparked an industry-wide discussion when superstar Deepika Padukone asked for a more structured 8-hour workday. It didn't just make news; it ignited a debate about work culture in Bollywood. Deepika reportedly exited major films like Kalki sequel and Spirit after discussions broke down over her request for fixed working hours instead of typically long and unpredictable schedules. Well, what do you have to say about Deepika's work hour debate? Do let us know in the comment section. Also, the last but not the least controversy that broke the internet in December 2025 is from the concert of AP Dhillon. Well, at a recent AP Dhillon concert in Mumbai, Bollywood actress Tara Sutaria joined the Punjabi star on stage to dance and perform Thodi Si Daru, which is their song. Sounds fun, right? But the internet had other plans. Well, a viral clip showed that AP gave a quick cheek kiss to Tara, which made headlines because Veer Pahadia watched from the crowd and some viewers read awkward vibes from Veer's expressions and jumped to gossip about tensions in their relationship. But the recent update here is that Tara and Veer pushed back hard. They said that the clips were misleading and cleverly edited and called out trolls and what they called paid PR campaigns spreading false narratives. Tara insisted they were loud and proud and that truth always wins. So whether it was one accidental Instagram like, a debate over working hours in films, so guys, वीर और तारा की जोड़ी को लगी थी किसी की नजर, but अब चीजें सॉर्ट हो चुकी हैं because उनके बीच में टेंशन आई ही नहीं. So whether it was one accidental Instagram like, a debate over working hours in films, or a concert moment gone viral, 2025 has had no shortage of controversies that kept Bollywood fans talking all year. Well, which one was your favorite drama? Do let us know in the comment section, and wishing you all a very, very happy new year.